Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Python Awesomeness. Today we're going to learn how to draw rectangles and build a very detailed bus. Let's get started. We all have come across rectangles before. They have 4 vertices. To draw a rectangle in our program, we will have to mention its position and size in the program. We use the rectangle function to create a rectangle object. You need to provide the position of the bottom left vertex of the rectangle. The next 2 integers are for width and height respectively. You can also control the fill color of the rectangle by mentioning the color after the height integer. Now there are 2 ways to draw any object. You can either create the object and assign it to a variable, then draw it by referring to the variable, or you can create and draw the object in a single line dynamically. For this project, we will use the latter method. Start a new project. Give your project a unique name. From the starter program, delete the contents of the draw function and Mike Sprite creation line. Inside the draw function, let's create and draw the first rectangle. The coordinate of the bottom left corner for this rectangle will be 150 and 270. The width of this rectangle will be 300 and the height will be 100. The fill color will be orange. These values can be obtained by the trial and error method. Call draw function at the end of the line. Run the program to check. Now let's build another rectangle which will be the base of the bus. This rectangle's position will be 80 and 180. The width will be 370 and the height will be 90. We will use the same color for this rectangle as well. Draw this rectangle and run it to test. You might be wondering how to get the coordinates of any point on the output screen. The process is simple. You just place your mouse pointer at any point on the output screen, and the XY coordinate will get updated on the title bar of the window. Notice in the video that when the mouse cursor is moved, the XY coordinate gets updated continuously. Now let's draw the wheels of the bus. If you look closely at the wheels of the bus that we want to build, you will notice it is made up of 3 circles. The first is a black circle and the other 2 are gray and white ones. Let's draw them. All 3 circles will be centered in 150 X coordinate and 180 Y coordinate. The radius of the black circle will be 40 pixels, the gray circle will be 30 pixels, and the white circle will be 22 pixels. After drawing these 3 circles, run to test the program. The first wheel looks great. Let's draw the rear wheels. You can copy and paste the program for the first wheel and change the X-coordinate value to 375. Only the X-coordinate will change for this wheel as the second wheel is at the same height as the first one. Run the program. And the second wheel looks great as well. You can change these values to customize the wheel according to your choices. To build the door for the bus, we will draw 2 rectangles. First, we'll draw a black rectangle and then a slightly smaller orange rectangle overlaid on top of it. Write 2 rectangle functions as shown in the video. Both of these rectangles are near the front of the bus. Test the program. The doors are in the correct position. Now let's draw the windows. The windows of the bus is always at the same level and the same size. So the Y coordinates of each window will remain the same, and so will the width and the height of those windows. Write 5 rectangle functions with different X coordinates. I am choosing white color for the windows. Run the program to test the progress. Now we have to add different accessories on the bus like door handles, taillights, headlights, side indicators, and so on. All of these accessories can be drawn using rectangles and circles. I will leave this as a practice activity. You can also add more decorative elements on the bus, like the name of the school and logos. Have fun, and we will meet with another exciting project in the next video.